Are you ready to sing the ABCs?
With animals!
Let's go! Let's go! A is for alligator.
Chop, chop!
B is for bear who loves to stomp.
C is for cat with a soft little purr.
D is for dog who loves to stir.
E is for elephant. Toot, toot, toot!
Splashing in water.
Oh, so cute! A, B, C, D, E, E.
Come and sing along with me.
F, G, H, I, J.
Animal friends are here to play.
F is for fox, fast and sly.
G is for giraffe.
Reaching high. H is for hippo, big and round.
I is for iguana, low to the ground.
J is for jaguar, jumping fast.
Through the jungle, zooming past.
K, L, M, no. See how many animals you know. P, Q, R, S, T.
Sing and learn the ABCs with me. K is for kangaroo.
L is for lion, he's the king on top.
M is for monkey, swinging trees.
N is for newt, crawling with ease.
O is for owl who stays up late.
P is for penguin who likes to skate.
Q is for quail.
With feathers neat,
R is for rabbit.
with bouncy feet.
S is for snake.
Who slithers by.
T is for tiger with a mighty cry. Roar!
U is for unicorn, okay, not real.
But let's pretend and see how it feels.
V is for vulture,